Hello and welcome to our video on the 10 most profitable YouTube niches in 2023. In this video, we will be discussing the top niches that can help you make money on YouTube. So, let's get started. When it comes to making money on YouTube, choosing the right niche is crucial. You need to pick a niche that has high potential, low competition, and a large audience size. In this video, we will be sharing the 10 most profitable YouTube niches in 2023. We will be discussing the potential of each niche, the competition, and the audience size. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, this video is for you. Niche 1: Gaming. Gaming is one of the most popular and profitable niches on YouTube. With millions of gamers worldwide, the gaming industry is booming. The potential of this niche is immense, and there is always room for new gaming channels. However, the competition is also high, so you need to find a unique angle to stand out. If you can provide entertaining and informative content, you can make a lot of money in the gaming niche. Niche 2: Beauty and Fashion. Beauty and fashion is another lucrative niche on YouTube. With the rise of social media influencers, the beauty and fashion industry has seen a significant surge in demand. If you have a passion for makeup and fashion, you can start your own channel and share your expertise with the world. The competition is high, but with creativity and consistency, you can build a loyal audience and make good money. Niche 3: Health and Fitness. Health and fitness is a niche that will always be in demand. With people becoming more health conscious, the demand for fitness-related content is increasing rapidly. If you are knowledgeable about health and fitness, you can start your own channel and provide valuable tips and advice to your viewers. With the right approach, you can make a good income from this niche. Niche 4: Cooking and Food. Cooking and food is a niche that will never go out of style. With people becoming more interested in cooking and experimenting with new recipes, this niche has huge potential. If you are a foodie and love cooking, you can start your own channel and share your recipes with the world. With the right branding and marketing, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Niche 5: Personal Development. Personal development is a niche that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. With people becoming more focused on self-improvement, this niche has immense potential. If you are knowledgeable about personal development, you can start your own channel and share your insights and tips with the world. With the right approach, you can build a loyal audience and make a good income from this niche. Niche 6: Travel. Travel is another niche that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. With people becoming more interested in exploring new places and cultures, this niche has huge potential. If you love to travel and share your experiences with others, you can start your own channel and build a loyal audience. By creating high-quality videos that showcase your adventures, you can attract sponsors and advertisers who will pay you for your content. However, the competition in this niche is high, so you need to find a unique angle and provide value to your viewers. Niche 7: Personal Finance. Personal finance is a niche that can help you make a lot of money on YouTube. With people becoming more interested in managing their finances and building wealth, this niche has seen a significant surge in demand. If you are knowledgeable about personal finance and investing, you can start your own channel and provide valuable insights and tips to your viewers. By building a loyal audience, you can attract sponsors and advertisers who will pay you for your content. Niche 8: Technology. Technology is a niche that has immense potential on YouTube. With new gadgets and innovations being introduced every day, people are always looking for the latest tech news and reviews. If you are passionate about technology, and can provide informative and engaging content, you can build a loyal audience and attract sponsors and advertisers. However, the competition in this niche is high, so you need to find a unique angle and provide value to your viewers. Niche 9: Education and Online Learning. Education and online learning is a niche that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. With people becoming more interested in learning new skills and advancing their careers, this niche has huge potential. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject or skill, you can start your own channel and provide valuable lessons and tutorials to your viewers. By building a loyal audience, you can attract sponsors and advertisers who will pay you for your content. Niche 10: Pets and Animals. Pets and animals is a niche that has a massive audience on YouTube. With people becoming more passionate about their furry friends, this niche has seen a significant surge in demand. If you love pets and can provide informative and entertaining content, you can build a loyal audience and attract sponsors and advertisers. By creating high-quality videos that showcase cute and funny moments, you can monetize your channel and make a good income. That's it for our video on the 10 most profitable YouTube niches in 2023. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for starting your own YouTube channel and pursuing your passions while making a good income. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right niche and approach, you can build a loyal audience and monetize your channel to achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.